Today we'll be learning how to change the color of the print. Here are a few easy steps. Alright, you're going to scroll over to Filament and click on Filament. Then you're going to click Unload Filament and wait for the Smart Extruder to heat all the way up. Then it's going to automatically extract the plastic. Once the plastic is automatically pushed out, you're going to grab it and pull it out. Do not pull it out before the machine pushes it out by itself. Then you're going to take the two prongs, pinch them together, and take the wheel out and roll up the rest of the plastic in the tube. Then you're going to take out the new reel of plastic, put the old one back in the bag, unhook the plastic from the side of the wheel, put the spool back on the axle, and push the plastic up through the thingamabob. Make sure the plastic is rotating and going all the way through. Then once you have a decent amount of excess plastic, you're going to click Continue and Load Filament. The extruder should already be heated up, and you're going to place the plastic inside the extruder, kind of wiggle it around until you feel the extruder grab the plastic and it will pull the plastic down into itself. Once you see your color of plastic coming out of the extruder, you can then click Filament is extruding, and it is all complete. You have a new color in your printer.